with fur cities filled with tenderness. You have captured my soul and every bite me, making me feel like the only man in the world. Life without you is like living without a backbone system. You are reft of love and kinesis has held me afloat, and will be keep on lighting our path. I promise to never leave you just so now. I love you more than life I lead. I would walk meals for you without as much as looking back to see the trail of my blood following me. I do not love you because I feel like it. I do it because my life is hanging out on it. Even if I say I love you to you at long times, it is simply not enough. Words are never enough to express what I feel for you. My feelings for you are just amusing that it makes me high. It is just amusing to have you as my soulmate. You are my everything. You you are my everything that starts my day and everything that I think of when I go to bed. You are believing is that matter that must take care my happiness is proportions proportionate to your good health. So do not forget to take care of yourself. I know you do not want me to be unhappy. Send me back a smile of your when you see this message. I am waiting to see your happy face. I love you. Take care. I have pieces that makes no sense without you behind my smile. There are hidden pains only you can heal. Fans and lovers of Faza. I have realized that a few imposters are using my name and pictures of on Facebook. Please be wary of them, but I promise you dots soon Meta will trick and close all their accounts. Is it fair that you have kept me thinking about when I finally meet you? Give you a warm embrace and a whisper into your ear how much I we missed you. If you are there, please tell me when my confidence come for the fact that you love me. Please tell me where are you right now and you will me before your face. What will you do first when you meet me in person? A serious answer will be presence soon. Just like the follower, life is beautiful. Believe in the beauty of your dreams and work towards realizing it. When you are gone, posterity will know you were here. I have wondered many times if my efforts in life, humanities can be appreciated, but I realized that there's no better applications than having you, my fans, lover, well wishers, families, and admiration by my side, and that's why I say thank you. Reposes in me a colossal confidence that upon me, Paul, with pride, and that's why I need you by my side always. I know about difference in our class egg background, but I still choose you. Love in the eye can never see anything or just your head and beneath your surfaces. Go ahead and unveiled them. Love can never be wrong. My the sunshine warm on your face and the rain soft on your field. My the joy of living for one another trip, a smile on your face and twinkle in your eyes. may you achieve your dreams and aspirations through your hard work and dedications. Above all, my true love and you pick up you honey and cuteness this influence for where you are belong never place your past so tightly that it leaves your arms unable to embrace the present you and are the present embrace it look yourself in the mirror you all realize that without you nothing every excited. You are beautiful. I work hard every day because you are always in my heart to strong with me. This letter will last forever with you in my mind. Please run to me. Ah, how? When I am with you, I feel like I am the strongest man on earth. I am and Fatables and pretzels. Oh, darling, I am full for adorations and in affection. You are the only one makes me feel this way, and I wish it would never stop. Your presence in my life means more than anything else in this world. To me, everything I do it because I feel inspired by you. I pray for you every night before I go to sleep. You are everything that matters. You are making me the happiest person in the entire world by just exciting. And when you are with me, I am beyond happy. Everything I am is thanks to your love. Without it, I have no idea where I would have been right now. You have saved me from misers. You inspiration me to write be poem and purpose about. Now that love is you are the perfect woman for me. Mainly because you are always so caring and sweet without your text or call me. The empirical becomes worse. Sometimes I feel like without you in my life, I would have stepped on dark path on think I love you about you is that you do not lie to me and that it is amazing that your love for me is true as I give me heart to you. I promise that I will never break your heart as long as I live. You are such an amusing person that you could have easily win anyone's heart. Thank you for giving your love to me. Please my channel for subscribe.